Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. Update lang po ito kay Rina. Grabe. Lahat na request ni Rina ay pinabigyan ni Ate Roda. Andito po, request niyang maliligo. Ayan, pinaligo siya sa isang swimming pool. Andito po. At dito nagtatapos ang aking video. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow my page. Bye-bye po. To God be the glory. Bye-bye guys. I love you all.